If you're a software engineer, a mobile app developer, or even a web developer like myself, then today's video is directly for you guys, because I'm going to show you guys 3 websites that you can use to get credit cards or debit cards for data testing. Now, if you're a subscriber of mine or you are a fan of the channel and you are watching this video, please, the credit cards that are going to be generated from this website do not have any real value. Therefore, you cannot use them for any other purpose rather than data testing. So if you think you're going to use these platforms to get free credit cards that you can use for shopping and all that other good stuff, I'm sorry, but they will not work. These cards are strictly for data testing. So if you want a card that you can use for shopping and other purposes, please make sure to check out the channel where we've done numerous videos on how to get those kinds of cards. You can use those cards for shopping, you can use it to purchase stuff online and do so many other things, pay for subscriptions as well. Alright, so this video is strictly for cards that are used for data testing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into the video and I'll show you guys these 3 websites. Okay, so the first website is CCardGenerator.com, and this website is very great when it comes to generating credit cards for data testing. So what you need to do is, when you get on the website, as you can see over here, it's already giving us a card that we can use for generating. It's already giving us a card that we can use for data testing over here. And I want you to know that these cards, like it says on the website, are valid test credit cards for data testing and verification purpose. So this card does not have any real value. So do not bother wasting your time to use it for any other thing rather than data testing. Okay. And the great thing about this website is that it allows you to generate cards from different issuers. That's Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB. Okay. And another great feature is that it allows you to generate a lot of them. So over here, when you click on Manage Generator, you can select which issuer you want. Let's go with Visa. And it will allow you to generate the cards in bulk. So over here, you can choose the format that you want, which is JSON, XML, or CSV. I'll just stick with the JSON. And the number, you can even generate as high as even 500 cards. And just click on Generate File. And over here, as you can see, it will generate all the cards for you. So you can just go ahead and copy it or just download them onto your device and then use them for your data testing. Now, the second platform is this one over here, which is Akto IO. The link will be in the description. All the links will be in the description. It also gives you a credit card generator that you can use to generate cards over here, as you can see. So I generated a few cards for me over here, and you can even switch between the issuers you want. Let's go with American Express for this one, and the quantity, let's go with let's say 30 cards. All right, so just click on generate and to generate them for you over here with all that information. And the last but not least is this one over here, which is Napay.com. Also, the link will be in the description. And it will also generate a card for you over here. You can choose which platform you want, which issuer you want, sorry. So let's go with China Union Pay. That's a very interesting one. I've never heard of it. Generate card. And yeah, it will give you the details, the number, the date, and then the security code. Now, this platform gives us the option to validate the card. So when you click on the validate card button, you can validate the card over here. Alright, so this is also, yeah, so this card is validated and is correct. Now, like I said, these cards do not have any value in them. So do not bother wasting your time to use them for any other purpose apart from data testing. Alright, so if you like content like this and you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss more content like this, and leave a like if you found it useful. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.